In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Google Sites for mobile. Whether you're looking to improve the mobile experience for your blog, portfolio, or company website, ensuring your Google site is mobile friendly is essential in today's increasingly smartphone-driven world. So let's get started and make your site shine on every device. First and foremost, you'll need to access your Google Sites dashboard. Go to the Google Sites homepage and sign in. Start by clicking the Sign In button in the upper right corner. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. After typing it, click Next. Then it's time to enter your password. Once you've securely entered your credentials, click on Sign In to access your Google Sites dashboard. Remember, this step is crucial for accessing the editing features of your site. Now that you're logged in, it's time to select the site you want to optimize. On the Google Sites dashboard, you'll see a collection of your sites. Click on the site you wish to edit. This action will open the site editor where you'll make all the necessary optimizations for mobile viewing. Once inside the site editor, look for the preview button. This is your gateway to seeing how your site currently appears across different devices. Click on Preview, and you'll see your site as it's currently viewed on a desktop. But we're here to focus on mobile, aren't we? After entering the preview mode, locate the mobile mode icon. This option allows you to switch the preview to display how your site looks on mobile devices. It's a fantastic way to get a real-time view of your site's mobile user experience. Analyzing this view is essential. It helps you understand what your site's visitors see when they browse using their smartphones or tablets. From here, observe how your site's content adapts to the smaller screen. Is the text readable without zooming in? Are the images resizing correctly? Is the navigation menu easily accessible? These are critical elements to check while optimizing for mobile. Remember, the goal is to ensure that your site is as user-friendly on mobile as it is on desktop. After you've made the necessary adjustments and are satisfied with how your site appears in the mobile preview, you can exit the preview mode and save your changes. It's always a good practice to revisit the mobile preview now and then, especially after making substantial updates to your site's content. So, to sum up, optimizing your Google site for mobile requires you to access the site editor, preview the mobile version, and make adjustments until the mobile user experience meets your standards. Keep refining and testing to ensure your visitors have the best possible experience, no matter the device they use. Thank you for watching, and remember, a mobile-friendly website is no longer an option. It's a necessity in ensuring your online presence is strong and inclusive.